was silent, you spoke up for me. When I gave up, you gave me strength to stay. When I faltered, you cheered me on. When I doubted, you believed in me. I was lost before you showed the way. And I always remember the things that you said, and I follow my dreams where they led. It was you are the reason I'm here today. I followed my heart just like you. You changed my life, and I want to say my word is much brighter with you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Marilyn. Kung di na ako mag-iak, di na ako magdagandagan maskin asa. Thank you for listening us. Bye-bye! Teacher Marilyn, I love you. Teacher's Day, Teacher Marilyn, I love you. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, teacher. I love you. Thank you for listening for hours. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Tambokon. I love you. I wish you all have good days. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am.